Hey everyone, out here on an evening walk, I figured why not make a quick market update video. You know, whatever, this is raw, unfiltered, just pull out my cell phone and make a quick update. So I've been a little slow on the videos lately because I have been buried in study of some more advanced option strategies to utilize for reliable income in the stock market, and I'll talk more about that in a second. This week we have Thanksgiving, and then the markets also close early on Friday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'm expecting, from the resources that I've been researching and watching, it looks like the market's due for a bit of a pullback, and then we're going to see less volume overall as we head into Thanksgiving, because think about it, all those Wall Street traders, they're going to be at home in the Hamptons enjoying Thanksgiving. So it's expected that we'll have less volume in the market, and so we could pull back and then kind of remain. I anticipate pretty much flat for the later half of the week. But I'm really going to be watching the market tomorrow to determine where we're heading. If we're gonna rally off of some vaccine news, or if we're gonna pull back. So really pay attention to what happens tomorrow. We could see a rally in the morning and then a dip later, a sell-off towards the end of the day. If we sell off tomorrow, whether it be the whole day or towards the end of the day, that could be a very bearish sign for what's to come, because we saw a bit of a sell-off on Friday. So if we sell off on Friday and Monday, that's a very bearish sign. So that's what I'm looking for. Watch what happens with the markets tomorrow. Now, as I said, lately I have really been buried in deeply studying. I'm telling you guys, I stretched the upper levels of my intellectual capacity to really learn and understand some advanced option strategies, with things like credit spreads, iron condors, iron flies, and selling premium, or collecting premium through selling options and utilizing spreads. I've studied them, I've spent hours, I've back tested, and now am successfully implementing them the past couple weeks. And I really like them a lot, because essentially what it's going to allow me to do is create sort of a base income, so a pretty reliable, like base, quote unquote, passive income in the market. And then the day trading on top of that will be like our quote unquote bonus income, if you want to think of it that way, as far as trading for a living. So I'll be talking more about these. They're really complex strategies. Do not do them without first understanding what you're doing. But I'm gonna finish this video with adding a example that I put on my Instagram and Facebook stories of how an iron condor works. It's just like a little, it's like a 60-second clip, but just kind of get the gist. And I'm doing one-on-one consulting now. So I have several appointments booked for people that saw this story and were interested in doing something like this. I'm going to be doing some one-on-one consulting with them for about the same rate that I used to charge for guitar lessons. But I like to say that you can make a lot more money doing this than playing guitar for a living, so it's a better return on investment. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Again, watch the markets on Monday to kind of get a direction for the rest of the week. And advanced option strategies, if you're interested in learning more, I'm available, and I will be posting a little bit here on the YouTube channel on some of these high probability strategies, so that we can have a consistent income that we can, for the most part, rely on. Obviously anything can happen, nuclear war, whatever, that takes out your position, but much more high probability than trading naked options. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. If you're looking to join a Discord group, Trading Alpha's link is down below, and see you guys next time. Thanks. All right, with an iron condor here on the S&P 500 with strike prices of 342 and 367, I know that with this standard deviation here representing a 70% chance of the options expiring within this range, my prices are clearly out of that range, and with a delta of 10, then I know that there's a 90% chance that this trade will be profitable, and with a collateral of $10,000 and a max profit of just under $1,000, I know that I have a 90% chance of making $989 in the next week. Done every week, this would be a way to build a stable base income off of options trading.